Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be doing a project, another hair clip project, and I will be making a lollipop hair clip. So here we go. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm going with. I'm going to do a purple and blue swirl, and then the lollipop stick is just going to be white. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how big I want the swirls. So basically I'm going to cut, I guess, and I'm completely eyeballing it here, I guess around this big, and I'm just going to cut straight down. Alright, and then I'm going to basically use this as a template to cut out the purple. They're not exactly even, but that's alright. So the next thing I want to do is to actually wait for my hot glue gun to warm up. I should really warm it up before I start recording, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, so my glue gun is warmed up, and I'm now just going to put a line of glue down the middle. And that is so I can make the colors a little bit more three-dimensional, just give them a little bit more mass than what they already have. Alright, and then I'm just going to do the same thing with another line of hot glue. Alrighty, and there we go. There is one of the colors done. Now, while that sits and dries, I'm going to do the same thing that I just did to the purple one. Okay, so after I completed them, the next thing I did was I simply just cut them in half, because they're a little bit too big to make into hair clips the way they are. So I just simply cut them down the middle, and I will probably be able to now make 2 hair clips out of one. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue one color to the other. Then I'm going to spiral them, adding a little bit of hot glue and then doing this a little bit at a time. So first I'm just going to hot glue the purple to the blue stripe, and then I'm going to glue this blue piece to each other. I'm just gonna spiral it slowly, trying not to burn my fingers. Okay, there we go. There is hot glue everywhere. That hurt. Alrighty, so I basically have my little lollipop shape now. I think it looks pretty cute. Not exactly perfect, but hey, that's alright. This was my first one, you know, trial and error. Next, I'm going to make the stick. So I'm kind of just going to eyeball how long I want the stick to be. And then cut it out. Then I'm simply just going to roll it up. Add some glue. Now that it is cut, I'm going to add some hot glue to the top. And then glue it right onto the lollipop. Alrighty, then the last thing to do is to glue it onto the hair clip. And to do that, I'm going to take some felt and I'm going to cut a nice, pretty decently long strip. Then I'm going to add glue into the middle. And then I'm going to place this right there. And then glue this right on top. Alright, and then there you go. That's pretty much it. The only thing I would do differently, I think, next time is make the lollipop stick a little skinnier. But other than that, it's all done. So that is how I made the hair clip. As I said before, I think the only thing I would do a little bit differently next time is make the stem a little thinner, but other than that, I think it looks pretty cute. I am pretty happy with it. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!